Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about something we all experience as an impediment quite often. It is this phenomenon called analysis paralysis. How often do we end up actually overthinking about something that we want to or need to do, put together an action plan and eventually not take it up? Yes, this precise behavioral occurring system analysis paralysis. And why do we need to talk about this? Well, that's because if we really ask ourselves the pivotal question as to whether we want to see actualization of our aspirations, there is absolutely no one who would probably say a no, right? Well, that pretty much means that we need to stop overthinking about things, over-analyzing them, and start doing them. For example, if you would like to get 6 packs or lose 20 kgs, you can watch a lot of YouTube videos, read books, watch documentaries, and maybe buy a gym membership. But eventually, if you try to master the art of squats or deadlifts on day 1, which is quite an utopian task, but even for that to happen, you will have to make the transition from watching YouTube videos to picking up the barbell and practicing the deadlift under an expert supervision. And once that happens, which mind you will not be perfect on day 1, you would have actually gotten rid of your analysis paralysis and started taking baby steps towards the actualization of your aspirations. Hope you found this useful. If you did like this, do share it with someone who would find this useful too. Thank you.